Hey guys, it's Jen with Two N's. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting for it for days. It is my 4th of July kit that I got from Double Dip. So I've already opened my box, but let's get started. I cannot wait. I've seen other people post their manis on the Facebook group, so I can't wait to see mine and get some on my fingers. Every Double Dip package, I don't know if you guys have had Double Dip before, if you bought it before, but it comes with this fancy stuff that gets lost in my house and I find all year long. It's not as bad anymore since my kids are older, but oh my gosh, when they were younger and Easter baskets, oh, I would find grass in my house for all year long. All right, so let's see here. First of all, got my little note here of everything that I bought. So it looks like just my Star Spangled banner kit. Get this out of the way. Every Double Dip kit, if you buy the full kit, it comes with this super cute bag. I love this bag. I have so many of them, and I keep my extra powders in it because I don't have room in all of my containers. Also, in case, before we get started, so I do have a code for Double Dip if you want to save some money. If you want to save 10%, if you use the code DIPGEN10, of course that is Jen with 2 N's, DIPGEN10 will save you 10% at Double Dip's website for anything, as long as there's not a sale going on. So, and I'll keep that in the description box below also. So we've got our instruction booklet. Every kit comes with the instruction booklet, which is awesome if you're new to dipping. And I got my powders. I'm so excited for these powders. Oh my goodness. Look at those. I'm going to make some good 4th of July manis. Just you guys wait. So I'll open up these guys real quick just so I can show you. And then these little cute little bags. I have so many of these bags too because they put all of their powders in the bags when they ship them. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Those are stars, in case you can't see. Let me open this up and show you. Oh, I hate these. I mean, they're good because you know then that it's sealed, but I'm never good at them. Look at those, you guys. Those are stars. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Okay, so we got the stars. Oopsies. And then we have the White Gleam, Egyptian Love. Don't mind my mat, guys, too. It's my mat that I do everything on. So, Stargazer. Let's look at this one real quick. See what we have. Oh my gosh, that is a silver. So cool. Oh, I can't wait. It's gonna be so exciting. Gosh, I don't even know. I have so many ideas in my head of what to do for my 4th of July manis. I'm gonna do a mani every single day starting Monday. So I will upload some videos. And this one's Be Silly. Where can I get that to focus? Okay, well, it doesn't want to focus, but it says Be Silly. Let's just check this red out real quick. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, that's gonna be shiny and sparkly. Alrighty, and then, so there's my powders, and then of course, all of the kits come with the liquid. And I think it's really cool. Double Dip's kits, they come with everything that you need to do a manicure. So if you are brand new to dipping, it's almost it's not almost, it is the perfect starter kit for you because it comes with your colors, right? You have 6 different colors. Oh, this one has 5, but most of them come with 6 colors. And then it has this cool little bag. I'm not going to open it all so I don't lose it, but it comes with a file and a little mini buffing block and an orange wood stick right there. And then it also comes with replacement brushes. This is super important, especially if you are new to dipping. Sorry guys, my husband just came in. I've got to find a new place to do my videos. Anyway, so if you are new to dipping, having these replacement brushes is awesome because you will definitely harden your brush when you're doing your top coat. There's just no way around it. You just will. So they are a pain in the butt a little bit to replace, so there's a trick to it. Let me know if you have problems. I can help you, but pliers, that's the trick. So that comes with every single box, and then you get these little cards here, and you can get a little free gift. So you got to scan that there, and another free, the link. This is the link to the Facebook group. If you're not a part of the Facebook group yet on Double Dip, I highly recommend you join it because you can get so many tips and tricks, and there's some awesome people in the group that it just really is. It's a great community. And then the last but not least in the kit comes your liquids. So you've got all of the liquids that you need to do a mani. You have your base coat, and they're numbered. So you've got number 2, and then the activator is number 3, and then the top coat is number 4. So you have a number 1 and of course a number 5. The number 1 is your bonder. That doesn't come in the kits, but you can buy a kit with the bonder, or you can buy it separately. And then the last thing that it comes with is your brush cleaner. Brush cleaner is also super important because, as I mentioned before, you will definitely harden your brush and this will help you. It will be your lifesaver, I promise. So there you have it. That is my unboxing of the Star Spangled kit from Double Dip. Don't forget to use the code DIPJEN10 to save 10%. And you get all this fancy, there's more stuff in there. Oh, I almost missed it. Oh, and a brush. Look at that. Double Dip did it again. They always surprise me. I love Double Dip. So you got a brush in there, and then I also have these stickers. Cute stickers. Look at that. 4th of July fireworks. Oh, those are going to be cute. And then stars. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm going to do so many manis. It's going to be awesome. These are so cute. Alrighty, so I will be back here. I'm going to do a mani, and then I will be back and I'll show you and I'll tell you the colors that I used. And stick with me because, like I said, next week I do plan on doing a mani every day. So I'm going to be having some uploads. Be sure to check back. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, please, if you don't already. Oh, I almost spilled those. Almost totally spilled my stars. Anyways, subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.